Congratulations on the purchase of your new CRAM-A-LOT horizontal baler. Adhering to the following guidelines will ensure safe, trouble-free operation for many years of service. All balers meet or exceed ANSI safety standards. By following the operational and safety procedures recommended by JV Manufacturing, you will be able to safely and efficiently operate your baler. All operators of the baler must read and understand the owner's manual before operating the baler. Please remember these 4 points. Number 1, your baler is to be used for recyclables only, such as cardboard and shrink wrap. Number 2, it is unlawful for anyone under the age of 18 to operate this equipment. Number 3, only authorized, trained technicians are allowed to work on your equipment. Number 4, never allow work to be done on this equipment without performing the lockout, tagout procedure. For your safety, please view this video in its entirety. Please note that your baler must be installed with sufficient room for proper and safe operation. There must be enough clearance on the door end of the baler to allow the chamber door to swing clear of the chamber so that the finished bale can be safely ejected. Be sure that the area around the baler is kept completely clean and free of any objects that might interfere with the operation of the baler. Do not install the baler in high-traffic areas. Now, let's look at how the baler operates in normal everyday usage. We caution you to allow only trained employees over the age of 18 to operate this baler. While we are looking at the control panel, let's discuss the switches and their functions. The power on switch functions like a car key and must be turned to the far right to start operation. The power on light indicates the power is on to the panel. The conveyor stop button is used to stop only the conveyor when there is a conveyor present. The emergency stop button can be pressed at any time to stop the operation of the baler and conveyor. The 75% full light is illuminated when the bale is at approximately 75% capacity. The mode selector switch has 2 modes of operation, auto cycle and retract. Their functions will be explained throughout this video. The 100% full jam light illuminates solid red once a full bale has been achieved. This light also indicates when a jam has occurred by producing a flashing light. The door latch switch is used to open and close the chamber door latch. The low oil light illuminates when the oil level has reached an unsafe level for operation. This is an option that can be added to the equipment. The mode selector switch indicates the baler is ready to run in automatic mode. Next, insert the key into the start switch and turn to the power on position. The power on light should illuminate. Make sure the stop button is in the out position. Now, turn the start key to the start position and hold there. An audible tone will sound for 5 seconds. The red beacon light on top of the control panel will flash for 20 seconds, then become solid. Release the key so that it will return to the power on position, then remove it. Warning: this is the automatic cycle initialize sequence, warning all personnel around the baler that it could start at any time. When the red beacon lights turn solid, the baler will make 1 full cycle, then the conveyor, if applicable, will start. Load the material in the baler through the hopper or with conveyor if available. As material fills the baler chamber and blocks the photo eye, the baler will start. The ram will extend to compress the material into the baling chamber, then retract to its home position. Continue feeding material onto the conveyor until the bale is full. Note: if the full bale jam light is flashing, this indicates there is a jam situation. You must follow lockout-tagout procedures to turn off the power to the baler before trying to remove the jam. After the jam has been cleaned and the lockout-tagout has been removed, restart the baler as shown at the beginning of the video. When the full bale is made, the baler will stop and the 100% full jam light will illuminate solid red, indicating the bale is ready to be tied. Now we are ready to tie the bale. Clear the area around the baler to prepare to insert the bale ties. Insert the bale ties loop end first into the 5 slots on the chamber door. The bale ties are to be inserted from one side to the other. Push the wire through the slot until it just clears the front of the baler. Repeat with the remaining 4 bale ties. Insert the T-shaped rod through each of the 5 slots in the press head. Put the straight end of the wire through the small hole at the end of the T-rod. Pull the T-shaped rod back through the slot in the press head. Remove the wire from the T-shaped handle and insert the straight end of the wire through the loop. Pull the slack and run back through the loop again. Wrap securely, tying the bale. Note, it may be necessary to double tie the 2 bottom slots to prevent breakage. Refer to the owner's manual for specific bale tie sizing and applications. Now, we are ready to eject the bale. Move the auto cycle retract mode selector switch to the retract position. Insert the key and turn it to the start position and release. The baler will start and the ram will retract to the home position and the motor will continue to run. Turn and hold the door latch selector switch to open. Push the emergency stop button to stop the motor, then pull back out and remove the key. Turn the auto cycle retract mode selector switch to the auto cycle position. Push the chamber door fully open, then begin the baling sequence again. Repeat the startup procedure covered at the beginning of the video. As the new bale is being made, the finished bale will eject. When fully ejected, the baler will stop and the 100% full jam light will illuminate solid red, indicating the bale is ready to be moved. Remove the bale and push the chamber door fully closed. Move the auto cycle retract mode selector switch to the retract position. Insert the key and turn it to the start position and release. The baler will start and the ram will retract to the home position and the motor will continue to run. Turn and hold the selector switch to close. Push the emergency stop button to stop the motor, then pull back out and remove the key. Turn the auto cycle retract mode selector switch to the auto cycle position. Begin the baling sequence again. You are now ready to make a new bale. Please follow the maintenance program outlined in the owner's manual to ensure and extend the trouble-free operation of the baler. If you have any questions regarding the operation or service of the baler, please contact our customer support department as listed in the owner's manual. As a final note, please keep in mind that the baler is designed only to bale recyclable materials such as corrugated and shrink wrap. In order to maximize the value of the bale, keep these materials separated and bale only like materials. Do not bale chipboard or boxboard, strapping or packing material, styrofoam, wax-coated corrugate, mail or books, newspapers or magazines. Do not bale floor sweep, food scraps, garbage, metal or wood. All these items will contaminate the bale. Remember, recycling reduces waste, saves energy, and conserves resources. JV Manufacturing is proud of the workmanship that has gone into your CRAM-A-LOT baler. We appreciate your company choosing our product. CRAM-A-LOT, equipping the world for a better environment.